Okay, do you remember last week you had as one of your learning goals that you were going to, research maybe looking at what was the psychological impact of the diagnosis of Parkinson's? How would it affect Frances and Matt, her husband, and the whole family? What did you find out about that?
Well, it's obviously affected her life socially, so she's not going out to a bridge club anymore. So she's withdrawn, and that her husband has to do the household chores.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's taking on that role as a carer now. He's going to have a lot more responsibilities that he's not probably used to at this stage in his life.
Yeah.
He seems to be very worried because her function is declining and that she might have future falls and it could end up really serious for her.
Yeah.
That's interesting actually now that you said that, because I found a very good article on everyday executive function and how it's associated with activity participation in Parkinson's disease. So basically it goes on to say that executive functions orchestrate many of our daily occupations, including instrumental activities of daily living, social interactions and leisure pursuits. Research in other populations show that executive dysfunction is related to limitations in these more complex activities, which in turn are related to reduced overall functional status and quality of life.
Okay, that's interesting, Sinead, but I suppose I'm just wondering, how does that relate to maybe what we're talking, the psychological, the fear, the anxiety that Matt is feeling?
I also found something on Tai Chi. It's a traditional Chinese exercise involving keeping the knees flexed with head and trunk erect, while the individual constantly shifts weight from one foot to another, executing slow movements in all planes through a continuously changing range. Just thought that was interesting.
For Matt or for the anxiety?